Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to perform the experiment of pharmaceutical chemistry 1. The aim of the experiment is, it is experiment number 8. Aim is to perform the assay of sodium bicarbonate. In that you have to determine the percent weight by weight of sodium bicarbonate. Here sample sodium bicarbonate is given. This is acid base type of titration. The meaning of assay is nothing but to examine a chemical to determine its purity. So you have to determine the purity in assay. Here this assay is based on acid base titration. The factors are given for standardization and also for actual assay. So each ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid is equal to 0.05 to 99 gram of sodium carbonate, and 1 ml of hydrochloric acid is equal to 0.8401 gram of sodium bicarbonate. So this assay of sodium bicarbonate is based on acid base type of titration, in which sodium bicarbonate act as a weak base and we have to use hydrochloric acid as a strong acid. So this sodium bicarbonate is titrated with hydrochloric acid by using methyl orange as an indicator. According to the Arrhenius theory, you know that acid on dissociation gives hydrogen ion, means proton, and base gives hydroxyl ion. For this experiment, we require the material burette, which is of 50 ml, then pipette, beaker, conical flask, weighing balance and weight box. Here we require the chemicals sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, hydrochloric acid approximately 1 molar, and methyl orange and methyl red as an indicator. This titration based on these two reactions. The first reaction which happened during the standardization, here sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, which gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. And during assay, the reaction which happened, that is sodium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid, one molecule of hydrochloric acid which gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So before going to assay part, we have to perform first the standardization of hydrochloric acid. So see the stepwise procedure for standardization of hydrochloric acid. So we have to weigh 1.5 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate, which previously heated at 270 degrees Celsius for 1 hour in an oven. Then we have to dissolve in 100 ml water in 250 ml conical flask. We perform the standardization of hydrochloric acid here. Then we have to add 1 drop of methyl red, that is 0.1 ml methyl red solution as an indicator. Then see how to fill the burette. We have to fill the burette with hydrochloric acid slowly with constant stirring until solution become faintly pink. Fill the burette, adjust up to the mark. So we start the titration here. So after putting 1 drop of hydrochloric acid from burette, we have to stir the conical flask. So in this way we have to put one drop of hydrochloric acid continuously by continuous stirring of your conical flask until we get an faint pink color. See, slightly pinkish color appear. See the color change, it becomes slightly pinkish. See, this is the end point. We appear here, pink color appear in the flask. See the color. We have to heat again the flask. We have to heat the flask or the solution in the conical flask. And when this pink color disappear, again we have to titrate it with the remaining solution of hydrochloric acid. See, after heating this flask up to boiling, the color pink color disappears. So we have to again titrate this solution with remaining hydrochloric acid in burette. After cooling this flask, we have to again start titration with remaining hydrochloric acid in the burette. See, again pink color appear. See the burette reading. So we require here burette reading was found to be 21.2. We repeat this procedure 2 times and we observe the reading at second time. Burette reading of second time is 20.2 and third time we observe the burette reading, that is 19.2. So we calculate the mean burette reading for standardization of hydrochloric acid. It is found to be 20.13. Now see the procedure for assay of sodium bicarbonate. See the stepwise procedure. So for this we have to weigh accurately 1.5 gram of sodium bicarbonate. We have to put sodium bicarbonate in our conical flask. Then we have to dissolve it in 50 ml of carbon dioxide free water into 50 ml of this conical flask. Add 0.2 ml methyl orange solution as an indicator. Then we have to, next step is titrate the solution with standardized hydrochloric acid, that we already standardized this hydrochloric acid, until the solution become pink. So before starting we have to fill the burette up to 0 mark. Then we started the next step, that is we have to add a drop wise hydrochloric acid for this assay purpose. See the color change. It is light pink color we observe. So this is the end point of titration, which is found to be, it become 14.2. So first reading we get on 14.2. For assay of sodium bicarbonate, we repeated the same procedure 2 times again. So we observed the second reading was found to be 15.5, second burette reading, and third burette reading was found to be 16.1. So mean burette reading was found to be 15.26. So we have to put this mean burette reading, first mean burette reading, in the standardization calculation to calculate the molarity of hydrochloric acid. That is, see the formula for that. After finding burette reading for standardization of hydrochloric acid, we have to go for calculation. See, in calculation part we have to first calculate the factor. So from the reaction we observe that hydrochloric acid HCl is equal to sodium bicarbonate. So 100 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid is equal to 84.01 gram of sodium bicarbonate. So each ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid is equal to 0.08401 gram of sodium bicarbonate. With the help of this formula we have to calculate the molarity of hydrochloric acid. That is, we have to put the first burette reading of standardization here, that is weight of sodium bicarbonate divided by burette reading into 0.05299. So with the help of this formula we get the molarity of hydrochloric acid. After that we go for the calculation of percentage purity calculation. In percentage purity calculation, here 1 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid is equal to 0.08401 gram of sodium bicarbonate. So with the help of this we have to calculate finally the 100 gram of sample contain, the formula 100 gram of sample contain that 0.08401 into m and means molarity into x and into 100 gram of sodium bicarbonate divided by molarity and weight. We will see this calculation during the presentation, and with the help of that we have to find out that sodium bicarbonate contain how much percent weight by weight of sodium bicarbonate.